Okay, so we're looking at classifying our numbers as either rational or irrational. Now, before I begin, I want you to think about what the word means. Rational normally means somebody who's calm, somebody who makes sense, and irrational would be somebody who's crazy, wild, and doesn't make sense. And this is true for the same thing for numbers. So if we look, excuse me, classifying each number as rational or irrational. So the first number is a fraction. Now, you can write these rules down because they're important to know that all fractions are always rational. So whenever you see a fraction, it's rational. B, now you've got a decimal. Now, can you see that decimal ends, doesn't continue on, it just got 3 digits after the decimal point, and so therefore all terminating. So that means that they end, okay? They don't go on and on and on and on, they end, they're rational. So even if it had 6 digits and that's where it stopped, that would be rational. Now, 4.3333, that continues on, but we call that recurring, and all recurring decimals are also rational. Then we get a number that's irrational. Can you see you've got 2, 3, 1, 4, 7, 5, 6. There's no pattern, and so therefore we can say straight away that all non-terminating, so it means that would carry on and on and on and on, decimals are not recurring decimals, so they're not recurring. You can see there's no pattern in them, therefore they are irrational. Okay, now, one thing I want you to notice is when you're looking at a number on your calculator, sometimes your calculator will only allow you 7 digits like this one. So you would look at it and you would think, okay, well, that's irrational because there's no pattern. So you've also got to always take that into consideration, that sometimes your calculator, maybe the next number that would start would be the next pattern. So just take that into consideration, but it won't happen very often. Okay, let's try this one there.